Hi, good day M6071. Please introduce yourself.
Hello to employers. I'm Melissa Edelig. I'm 27 years old and I live in Malolos, Bulacan. I'm Catholic Christian and I have two boys, uh, age 8 years old and 5 years old. Uh,
Highest educational attainment.
I'm high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
Uh, Before I work in caring children, 2 months old. Then caring, age is 7 years old and 9 years old and 4 years old.
Okay, other household chores that you do.
Uh, Washing clothes, uh, iron, uh, gardening, cooking, cleaning the house.
Okay, so since you have an experience taking care of a 2 months old baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes,
And it is okay to you to take care of a newborn again.
yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'm check the temperature, the feed, and I'm check the diaper. It's full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I call the employer to set the problem. Uh,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I'm work to Hong Kong because our family, and then my two child, and then I have savings money and to hear the small business in the
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years.
2 years. And if your employer wants you to extend it, is okay with you?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, and I will.
But it's okay to you to learn.
Yes,
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I'm watching YouTube and reading book.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
yes,
How about if your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup? This okay with you?
yes,
How about taking care of elderly, help them go to bed, to
yes,
bathroom? It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm honest and I will make sure that your family is se- serve your family.
Okay, can you also promise to follow the rules and regulations of your employer?
Yes,
Okay, and take good care of their children as your own.
yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Melissa. Thank you.